Hi and welcome back to Telefonika Talks. I'm Jason, and in this video, I'll share 5 amazing tips that will make your iPhone experience way better. For a very long time, there was no way to tell the battery percentage of your iPhone just from a quick glance. This is very annoying since you just have to guess the percentage or swipe from the top to find out. Well, the good news is that Apple has finally fixed this. You can finally toggle a button that can show your battery percentage right in the battery icon on your home and lock screen. To activate it, first go into settings, scroll to battery, open it, and then toggle on battery percentage. Now, you can know the exact percentage of battery remaining on your iPhone. Super convenient. By the way, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to the channel so that anytime a new video is released, you will be updated instantly. Did you know you can activate haptic feedback on your iPhone keyboard to make the experience way nicer? Apple has one of the best haptic vibrations on a phone, but it is very annoying that the keyboard doesn't have, haptic feedback when typing. To activate it, all you have to do is go to settings, scroll to sounds and haptics, tap to open it, and scroll down to keyboard feedback. Once you open the keyboard feedback, you'll be able to toggle haptic on to immensely improve your typing experience. Now to the third tip. Have you ever edited a selfie in the Photos app and tried replicating the edit on another selfie but without success? If yes, you'll be super excited about this feature. The Photos app allows you to copy and paste edits across multiple pictures with ease. All you need to do is to edit to perfection your first photo and click done. Now tap the 3 dotted icon on the top right and select copy edits. Now you can select one or multiple images, tap the 3 dot icon at the bottom and select paste edits to apply the edits across those images. I'm amazed on how easy and fast it works. If you want to actually hide photos and videos on your iPhone, you can now. Formerly, the hidden iPhone folder appeared as part of your albums with zero option to put a passcode on it. Now you actually can. Once you move media to your hidden folder, they automatically get logged and can be accessed via Face ID or a passcode, which now makes a lot of sense. By the way, if you're enjoying the video so far and find these tips very helpful, please give this video a like. We'll really appreciate it. Now on to a final tip. Can we agree on how tedious it used to be to delete contacts on the iPhone? First, you'll go to the contact section, tap the contact you want to delete and click edit. Then you scroll down to the very bottom before you finally see the delete button. Now all that stress is gone. All you need to do is open the contact section, long press the contact you want to delete, and then click delete. It's so simple now. Please take note that most of these features mentioned in this video require you to be on the latest iOS, so you may have to update your device to access them. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for the latest tips, reviews, and awesome promotions from Telefonika. I'm Jason, and I'll catch you in another video. Peace out.